Imagine hiccuping every day for 68 years. Charles Osborne did. It started in 1922 after a fall and didn't stop until 1990. Doctors believed he damaged a nerve in his brainstem. At its worst, he hiccuped 40 times a minute. That's over 430 million hiccups in a lifetime. He got married, had kids, and lived a full life while hiccuping the entire time. He holds the world record for the longest bout of hiccups. And yes, they stopped just 1 year before he died.